Is that your new castle, little man? Do you love it?
Lie down.
You gotta sit on your butt. You gotta sit on your butt. So sit on your butt.
Try it? Here we go. Lie down. Come here.
Whee! Good job! Wanna try again?
It's not going to be easy to climb up that ladder, but you might be able to do it.
You gotta go around to the back.
Here. He's got steps on it for you. His poor little feet are. His pajamas are wrapped around his feet. Look. Look, little man.
Careful.
You remember how to do it? You gotta sit down.
Whoa!
Yay!
Good job!
Good job!
Nice slide. You remember to go to the back now. Good job.
Let's put this out here to catch you in